Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pin a message in a WhatsApp group chat. Stick around until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Pinning a message in a WhatsApp group is a great way to highlight important information, keeping it easily accessible for everyone. Think of it as a virtual sticky note. To get started, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and tap on the group chat where you want to pin a message. This will take you to the conversation screen. Next, scroll through the chat history or use the search bar at the top to find the message you want to pin. Once you've located it, long press on the message to select it. You'll see additional options appear at the top of the screen. Look for the three vertical dots menu icon and tap on it. From there, choose the pin or pin message option. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to select how long you want to pin the message. Options include 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. Once you've made your choice, tap the pin button to confirm. And just like that, the message is pinned at the top of the chat. Now, everyone in the group can easily see the important information. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions.